Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. So the last time I've showed you guys the accessories set, and then I think there's the plastic balls set as well. Although those were actually bought during the concert, those aren't exactly concert merchandise because they were available before the concert. So I actually just received two merchandise from the concert. Actually got another friend to get them. So this is the slogan set. So this is about 20,000 won. So you can see slogan, it's called slogan. And then this is the keyring Lightstick, and this is about 18,000, I believe. So let's start off with the small one over here. Okay, so what you have here is a quality assurance and quick start guide. Okay, just telling you how to install the batteries. Hopefully there is, because I forgot to actually prepare any. Okay, it doesn't seem. Oh wait, there is. You see, so there is some built-in batteries over here. All right, that's good. So maybe I'll just put this. Oh shoot. Okay, not a good idea. You know what? This is a good chance for me to actually try it on my own. So this surprisingly needs a lot of batteries. It needs like, I think, 6 of them or something. Oh, there's like 5. Yeah, 6 of them. Lots of them. Okay, so I've seen this kind of like stick in the past, but usually it does not have as many functions as this one. So this is surprisingly really good. So you have a usual keyring, and then you get some kind of like a carabiner here, right here, and then you have the ONE logo. It looks pretty similar to the actual one. You even have the balls that you can move around inside. So let's turn it on. The button looks exactly the same. Okay, maybe I need to hold it. No, okay, let me. Yeah, I'm doing it right though. Okay, problem. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, I probably have to figure this out, but from what I can tell from the box, right, you can actually change to 13 different colors as like the actual Lightstick. So this is pretty cool, and it looks really realistic as to the actual Lightstick as well. So yeah, looking forward to actually have this on my bag. Okay, so let's put this aside and let's continue on to the slogan set over here. So decided to get this because I thought I would want to own a slogan, and also it actually comes with a photocard set over here. Okay, so let's take that out, and you have this really nice simple bag for everything. So let's start off with the slogan then. So you have this glitters thing going on over here. Okay, and this is how the slogan looks like. So thanks to my wide angle lens, you can actually see the whole banner just like that without me actually holding it out further. Okay, and then this is the other side. Really simple design, but I think it holds a lot of meaning. You can have all the members' colors in rainbow at the side over here, and the name of all the members over the other side as well. So that's really cool. Okay, so let's probably try to put this back again as I can remember it. probably wrong, but oh well, I'll just have to do it this little. Okay, and then here you have the Photocard set over here. So let's open this up. Okay. Alright, so maybe I show you guys the back. So the back looks like the banner. You have the O of the ISO 1, and then you have the, I guess the way they introduce themselves, as well as all their colors in a band like that, and ISO 1 first concert. Okay, so we have Eunbi at the start. Alright, so they are not sorting them in terms of rank, probably because she's the leader, so she's the first. And then you have Sakura, and then you get Haewon, Yena, Cheon. Okay, not sure why they look very blown out on my camera, but they look alright in real. So Cheon, this is Cheon, Chaewon, Minju, Hitomi. Okay, and then Wonyoung. Alright, so each of them, yeah, all of the back is the same. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this really short unboxing video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, so I actually figure out how to install the batteries. Actually turn really hot when you install the batteries the wrong way. So take note for this. Both the negative part is supposed to be facing the metal plate in between. So negative part meaning the, okay, let me see if I can get this. Oh, okay, so negative part would mean this portion, this part is actually the negative. I was thinking that is the positive until I read the label. So make sure that both that part, right, is actually facing the metal plate. If not, the batteries will start heating up so much that you can actually feel it from the outside of the Lightstick. So luckily I actually felt that and took out the batteries again, and thanks to that I'm able to turn it on right now. So I can show you all the different tinting colors. Okay, let's focus here. Okay, why is it not focusing? Okay. Alright, so that's all 13 colors, and then you hold to turn it off. Alright,